This is one of the does. There was a smaller doe earlier, and two little buck. One little spiky and a little wide buck. It came through a little bit ago. This is the bigger doe. Always amazes me how scrawny, how almost sickly these deer look in the summer, but it's normal. How red their coats are compared to the fall. Now, yeah, just skinny and sickly they look, but it's normal. The hair loss and everything. Of course, the nutrient loss. That's why we put salt and molasses and different stuff out on the stump for them. But like I said in my last little video, this is the back deck we just replaced. This is that's where we grill, and literally not even 10 yards is where they come in. Right there on that tree we have a little camera. Yeah, we get a few in here. We've had a few in here over the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. They've been coming in regularly. Spring, summer, beginning of fall. Once hunting season comes in, they disappear. You don't see them around here anymore, but we enjoy them while they're here. They're always here in the summer for sure. Salt, molasses, some corn. Just give them a little extra nutrients throughout the hot months. Over this way, around the corner of the house, we have another log that we put stuff on, and the buck were over there about a half hour ago. It's an average sized doe there, just enjoying the stump. If I can get her attention. She don't even care. I could probably try to sneak out. I'm inside here, but I don't want to spook her. There she is. What's up, girl? She's like, that asshole's watching me. Time to go. Put more salt and molasses out for him. Later on, girl. Watch the Utes. See you tomorrow.